One eternity later.
What up, YouTube? So another day, another dollar. Got this piece. We're about to put this right on the top of the forearm. We're gonna try to connect it with this piece right here. So yeah, and right first prep the skin. You have to focus on the flow of the direction of the hair, so you want to pull down, not up. That's a clean shave. I had the principal ask me, bro. I'm like, I know he had to be drunk. It was like 11 o'clock at night. One of the teachers just came, so I was like, can you ask him why he texted me at this time of the night? Tell him some stencil stuff, guys. That white good stuff that sticks. Not the other stuff. Not the other stuff.
Increasing my elbow right now.
Hell yeah. And I have to shake this way.
For real.
Oh la la.
Dad, but I was gonna get this and say, man, you ready?
Not really. You know what you could, guys, if you guys ever go to prison, jail, anything like that, don't ever get a tattoo, okay? Because you could catch AIDS, you could catch hepatitis, hepatitis C, hepatitis B, whatever else shit there is. Just don't trust them, okay? Because one needle shared to another inmate.
Sonia said goodnight to the group, and Timmery said she's actually going to Stingers, pointed them at the sky, and said, "Peace out, pal," to each other along the side of the road. The sun had finally set, and it was about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. A light rain had started to fall and relaxed her shoulders.
Why did this feel like an easier session than the first one?
The white like a tedious part.
Kind of.
You notice when you stand up when you do the white, you did it the last time.
Because I have to be very precise.
Yeah. Oh my god, that feels so good, bro.
So guys, we are done with the tattoo. I want you guys to look at it real quick. Turn your arm. Other way. So guys, give me your opinions, thoughts, what you guys think, what I can improve on, what you guys